Hello viewers, welcome back to class. I have a very special gift for you guys today. Don't forget, if you are new in this YouTube channel, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and ensure that you turn on the post notification bell for more exciting videos. Guys, listen, do not skip any part of this video. Ensure that you watch this video step by step, bit by bit, and understand everything that we teach you. Also, avoid every unnecessary distraction anytime you are set to watch this video. And finally, if there is any area across this topic that you do not understand, please replay the video over and over again until you understand it before you progress to the next video. So let's get to work. Now on the board, this is question number 9. We are asked to solve this. 1 over 9 exponent x is equal to 3 raised to the power minus x all over 3 multiplied by 81x. Guys, what do we do here? You see that at the left hand side, we have 1 over 9 raised to the power x. Of course, you know that this can also be 9 raised to the power 0 to put everything in base 9, right? Yes, but we don't want to do that. Now, all we just need to do here, when we check the right hand side, we see at the numerator and the denominator, this is what we have. The easiest way to solve fraction under Indicia equation is just to cross multiply so that you'll be using one line instead of fraction. I hate fraction sometimes, but don't hate it. I just prefer to use, when I have better options, I go with better options, alright? So this is a better option for us to just cross multiply so that we can have this equation in one line instead of using two lines. That's the reason you can solve it directly, alright? Are we there? So what do we do here? We will simply cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we are going to multiply 1 by this, and 1 multiplied by anything remains the same. So we are having this as 8 multiplied by 81 raised to the power x. Everything here we multiply 1, and 9x multiply this, so we're going to have 9x times x 3 raised to the power minus x. So we just cross multiply. So we now have this in one line. This is what I prefer. Alright? Now in this case, now what do we do? To the left hand side we have 2 terms, and to the right hand side we have 2 terms. And the least base here is 3. So let's see if we can reduce 81 to base 3. Of course, it is possible to reduce 81 to base 3. And that would have given us 3 raised to the power 1 times 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. Then for 9, 3 raised to the power 2 is 9 times 3 raised to the power minus x. So at this point now that we have equal base at the left hand side, we can pick one of the base and add up the power. 1 plus 4 multiplied by x is 4x. Then at the right hand side, 3 times this guy would have given us 2x. Now pick one base also and what add up their powers. It's as simple as this. Now the next thing we are quickly going to do, guys, is to simplify the power. And to simplify the power here, this would have given us 3 raised to the power 1 plus 4x is equal to 3 raised to the power 2x. Now, plus times minus is minus. And finally, we are going to have this as 3. 1 plus 4x is equal to what? 3 raised to the power 2x minus 1x. We are giving us what? 1x. Now, at this point, we have equal base. And anytime we have equal base, all we simply do is to cancel out the base and equate the powers. So the powers here are 1 plus 4x, which is equivalent to what? X. And now we are looking for the values of x. We are looking for the value of x. So what we do? We simply make x the subject of formula. And to have that done, we are going to have this as 4x. Now as plus x crosses from right to left, it becomes minus x. And as plus 1 crosses from left to right, minus 1. Here we have this to be what? 4x minus 1x will give us 3x, which is equal to minus 1. And what do we do here? We simply divide both sides by the coefficient of x so that we can get 1 as the coefficient of x. Then, when we divide both sides by 3, we have minus 1 answer to this variable. So guys, love you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, and ensure that you turn on the post notification bell for more exciting videos. Share this video to your friends, well wishers, even to your enemies. Ensure that you like this video and make your necessary comments. So see you guys in the next class. Love you. Thanks for watching.